have a service train behind us.
There's the HP Miniature Railway Class 20 Miniature Electrical Locomotive, starring Trains to Tremendous Train Spotter, Trains and Railways Productions, and his friend behind him, which is Sammy. Starring Trains to Tremendous LNER 458. Percy the small engine speeding. What speed? Here comes Trains, the Tremendous Train Spotter, and Sammy behind on the Class 20. Nice! Brilliant stuff. Freezing. There goes Sammy off the 20. Oh, sorry, mate. Ah! Taking a video now. Oh, and there's the oldest volunteer behind. There comes Trains, the Tremendous Train Spotter, and Ollie, the Optimistic Train Spotter, on the Class 20 Miniature Electrical Locomotive. And the 87-year-old. Percy the small engine zooming in a rush, and the LNER 458 steaming into action. There's Mike Farr and Sammy on the Tommy locomotive, Miniature Electrical Locomotive. Stop! Percy's in the way! It's Mike Farr and on Tommy. It's my hello, Mike, hello, Sammy, hello, Ollie, hello. What's up? There comes the Class 20 with Trains, the Tremendous Train Spotter, Trains and Railway Productions. Please give a toot. Give the toot, please. Please give a toot. Oh, never mind. And Harry Robinson in the cameo. Oh, you stopped. He stopped in a judder. He certainly stopped in an immediate judder. He stopped. He stopped. Now they're starting again. There's Tommy with Mike Farr and Sammy, the specific volunteer. There's Mike with magnificent Mike Farr, the There's Trains and Railways Productions, Trains to Tremendous Train Spotter, with the triple volunteers, the triple young volunteers, the triple young happy volunteers, starring Trains, Ollie and Harry. If Henry Vagencourt were here to see Trains, Ollie and Harry happily having fun on the Class 20, he would just enjoy this moment with me, probably. Henry Vagencourt. Well, I hope you're watching, Henry. I think HP Miniature Alley, if you ever went there, you'd like it.